It is my pleasure to be present here and introduce to you an innovative tool that has the potential to completely revolutionize the way in which you engage with the cryptocurrency derivatives market. In this rapidly changing and evolving world, agility and precision are of utmost importance to seize opportunities, adapt quickly, and effectively manage risk in order to stay ahead. Taking that into consideration, we have created a thorough screen that caters to both experienced traders and novice investors. Our screener is specifically designed to provide deep insights and real-time analysis, allowing you to make informed choices and strategic decisions when trading in the dynamic and volatile cryptocurrency futures market. It is distinguished by its intuitive interface that facilitates trend tracking, identification of market patterns, and execution of complex strategies with just one click, making it incredibly easy to use and providing a seamless user experience. Today, we will examine the primary characteristics and functionalities of our screener, showcasing how it can serve as a crucial component in your everyday schedule. Let's delve into the details of how you can use our tool to maximize your returns and minimize risks in such a volatile market environment. Prepare yourself to explore how our solution can assist you in differentiating yourself in the cryptocurrency derivatives market. Our screening tool is incredibly flexible and highly customizable, giving you the ability to hide or show columns, filter results, and also sort these results in any way you prefer. When you open our screener, you will be presented with numerous columns that contain a wide variety of different indicators to choose from. These indicators are meant to show you the market sentiment. Our radar focuses on sentiment analysis. However, it does not negate the combination with traditional analysis like price action, chart patterns, candle patterns, and other similar techniques and strategies. Right in the first columns here we have the symbol, which is the pair, the currency symbol. In the second column we have the price. In the third column, it's a variation of price over 4 hours. How much has this currency moved in the past 4 hours? Here we have trades, volume, open interest, long-short ratio, RSI on open interest variation, LSR variation, price trend, open interest trend, and long-short ratio trend. Here we will attempt to comprehend how you will interpret the data that is being displayed to you in this location. To begin with, I have a preference for sorting the trades column as the first step in the process. I prefer to leave the coins with the most trades at the top, meaning the sorting here is from highest to lowest, because most likely these coins with the most trades will be the ones with the greatest opportunities. If there's an opportunity, there's a chance to make money, to open a trade, seize it, has a chance of exposing oneself with a higher probability of winning than losing. A volatile currency is a currency with a good risk-return ratio. Therefore, I prefer to keep it that way, as it allows me to monitor which currencies have the highest volume of trades and which currencies have the largest number of individuals participating in trading activities. Here we have the volume, which is also very important to comprehend what is occurring along with trades. You will verify if there are any trades and also check if there is any volume in the asset to ensure accuracy and reliability of the data. Right after that, we have the open interest value. Open interest is simply a metric that indicates the total number of open derivative contracts that have not yet been settled. In other words, every time you open a position in the futures market, you are injecting interest into a currency. Let's assume that I decide to open a leveraged 20x position on Bitcoin, utilizing a $100 margin, just for the sake of this example. You inject $2,000 of pair interest into this currency, because pair interest is nothing more than your money multiplied by the leverage factor that amplifies its impact, and it will provide us with an indication as to whether the asset is gaining strength or not. If the operator is rising, it usually signals a reinforcement of the current trend, whether it is upward or downward, while a decrease may indicate that the trend is losing strength. The long-short ratio, which is another crucial sentiment indicator, will provide us with an indication of what traders are thinking about a particular asset in order to gain valuable insights. Whether there are more individuals who are initiating long positions, or if there are more individuals who are initiating short positions. For example, Doge, at this exact moment during the recording of this video, has an LSR of 2.39 long-short ratio. This implies that individuals, conversely the LSR, which is an abbreviation for long-short ratio, will provide us with an understanding of market trend. It is an extremely crucial indicator for sentiment analysis. as it provides us with the count of long positions compared to short positions. Usually, an extremely high LSR indicates that individuals are desiring more than they are selling short. This indicates that there is a higher amount of leveraged money purchased compared to the amount sold. Typically, the market moves against the majority. Thus, a currency with a high LSR will have more difficulty in rising compared to others. A currency, for example, like PEP, has an LSR below 1, which we call a negative LSR. So a growing number of individuals are shorting this currency, believing in its decline, while fewer individuals are longing, believing in the rise. And as the market goes against the majority, PEP has the potential to rise, of growth in its value, in its price, to settle the opposite positions, generating fuel so that the market maker can continue to maintain the upward momentum of the price of this currency. Regarding the RSI, which stands for Relative Strength Index Indicator, it is an oscillator that measures the speed and change of movements in order to determine overbought and oversold conditions. Usually the RSI is measured within the boundaries of 70, above 70, considered overbought, and below 30, considered oversold. In addition, we also have the price trend, the operator trend, and the LSR trend available for analysis and observation. These three indicators, when combined together, are a powerful tool in our process of making decisions. For instance, let's filter in this particular case. Coins that are in the pre-long setup will be put up in the filter based on the price trend, and they will also be put up in the filter based on the OI trend. However, in the LSR trend, these coins will be put down. All of these coins present a setup and show an indication that they are favorable for long positions. This is due to their rising price trend, the fact that they have been entered with leverage, and the decrease in the number of long positions, which suggests a potentially profitable opportunity for investors. To put it differently, people are shorting a currency, and since the market goes against the majority, these currencies in this particular setup tend to offer favorable buying opportunities. Here in this last column, we can open the sentiment chart. I'm going to open the chart here, for example, of CKB. Right here, it will reflect all of this that is present. Here we have the long short ratio line in purple, the price in white, and the interest rate displayed. If you examine this location, you will notice that the long short ratio has been decreasing since 7 in the morning of the previous day, which was May 3rd. Consequently, the interest rate has been rising significantly, and the price has been following. Why? Individuals are wagering on the decrease of the asset, fresh leveraged funds have entered the asset, and the process of liquidation is in motion. Price tends to move against the majority. We can see here that when the LSR dropped below 1, when it turned negative, there was practically a short squeeze here. This is the perfect configuration. When there is a crossover between the upper interest and the long short, we have the opportunity to take long positions, which is a currency with tremendous potential. This operation can also be employed to search for coins that are in positions to go short, which refers to coins that have the price trend, are in a downtrend, have operating interest decreasing, and have long-short ratio increasing. This method allows for identifying cryptocurrencies that exhibit favorable conditions for short-term trading strategies based on these specific criteria. Let's apply this filter here. The price trend must be downward, the operational interest must be decreased, and the LSR must be increased. To put it differently, all of these coins that you see here are currently set up and ready for sale. You can observe that the operational interest OI is declining in the oversold region, isn't it? Let's consider Matic as an example here. Matic has its stable LSR, liquidity sensitive rate. However, the operational interest, which is left blank in this case, see how it drops and the price drops as well, right? Is it possible to use this setup to look for short positions too? That's what I want to know, right? There is absolutely no problem at all. Therefore, when it comes to long positions, our objective is to look for an uptrend in price, an increase in upper interest, and a decrease in the long-short ratio. Regarding short positions, we look for a downtrend in price, a downtrend in operator sentiment, and an increase in long-short ratio, along with an uptrend in long-short ratio, as these are the key indicators we analyze to make informed decisions. This is the way we can utilize this tool. We can utilize it to search for numerous opportunities in both purchasing and vending. Incredibly efficient, straightforward, and provides instant access to data with just a single click of a button. Using this tool, you will have the ability to further optimize your results. That is all. I hope you had a good experience. Happy trading!